In today's video, we are going to cover how to use Airtable Interfaces. Airtable Interfaces give you a way to build customized pages around the data in your base, so people can view and work with information in a format that fits their role. You can choose how the interface looks, connect it to a table, and adjust what appears on the page before sharing it with others. Start by opening the Airtable base where you want to create the interface. At the top of the page, click the Interfaces tab. This takes you to the area where interfaces are created and managed for that base. Once you are there, click New Interface. Airtable will prompt you to set up the interface details. Enter a name for the interface so it is clear what this page is for. If you want, you can also choose an icon to help identify it more quickly in the workspace. After that, click Next to continue. The next screen is where you choose a layout. Airtable offers several options here, including list, gallery, Kanban, calendar, timeline, form, and dashboard. Pick the one that best matches how you want the data to be displayed and used. For example, some layouts are better for browsing records visually, while others are better for tracking dates or collecting information. After selecting the layout you want, click Next. Now connect the interface to a table. Airtable will ask which table the interface should use as its data source. Select the table that contains the records you want this page to display or work with. Make sure you choose the correct table before moving on, since the layout will be built around that data. Then click Finish. With the interface created, you can begin customizing it. Use the side panel to adjust the page title, change the visualization settings, and apply filters to control which records appear. Depending on the layout you selected, you may see different options for how records are grouped or displayed. You can also rearrange elements on the page or add elements to match the way your team works with the information. This is the stage where the interface becomes more focused on the specific task or audience it is meant to support. When you are satisfied with the setup, click Publish. Publishing makes the interface available for use. If other people need access, click Share Interface and invite collaborators as needed. That allows your team to open the interface and interact with the data through the view you created, rather than working directly from the full base layout. Your Airtable interface is now created, customized, and ready to share with collaborators.